So all of you, place your right palm or left palm, whatever you feel like, on your heart center. In fact, you all will be able to see on the screen. Just keep it on your heart center and feel your heartbeats. Today's chapter is about heart magic. So just feel your heartbeats and see what your heart has to say to you before we start the chapter. And breathe deeply. One more breath. So happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 20 of our magic book journey.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
And happy Mother's Day to all the
too.
mothers in this group.
Happy morning.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Happy
you,
Mother's
everyone.
Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
So can we have all the videos on? Lovely, lovely. Thank you. Any sharings from yesterday? How was it? How was the day yesterday? Anybody wants to share? When you took more than 100 steps and what happened?
वंदना जी, आई एम
हाँ,
मंजूषा. हाँ,
yes.
मतलब एक दिन 100 स्टेप लेना तो ठीक है, पर कल शुरू की ना, तब से आदत हो गई. मतलब एक दो स्टेप थोड़े भूल जाती थी, पर तीसरे चौथे स्टेप से आ जाता था कि नहीं, मुझे ग्रेटिट्यूड पे करना है और थैंक यू बोलना है. पूरे दिन वो चला है प्रैक्टिस. जितनी भी बार मैं खड़ी हुई गई, कुछ काम करती थी, किचन में काम करती थी, एक स्टेप इधर लिया, एक स्टेप उधर लिया, हर बार थैंक यू होता था. और मैं मतलब एक दो दिन में तो ये आदत परफेक्ट हो जाएगी कि नहीं, ये होना ही है, ये करना ही है. 100 स्टेप नहीं, बट मोर देन 1000 स्टेप तो थैंक यू में हो जाएंगे.
लवली, लवली. और कैसा लग रहा था कल?
हाँ, और एक रिदम आ गई थी चलने में. कोई गड़बड़ी नहीं, कोई
Yes.
उतावल नहीं, कोई हड़ाहड़ी नहीं. मतलब एकदम काम और पीस से सब काम हो रहा था. और मतलब कभी कुछ थॉट भी नहीं आ रहे थे. सिर्फ थैंक यू बोलना है, सिर्फ ग्रेटिट्यूड करना है, और एकदम साइलेंटली वो स्टेप्स हमारे होते थे. तो
Yes.
वो कामनेस आ गई, एकदम कूल और काम हो गई थी मैं कल.
जो हरी भरी जो होता है वो सब.
हाँ, वो सब डिसअपियर हो गया. हाँ, सब डिसअपियर हो गया.
Yes, anybody else wants to share anything?
I would like to share. Shikha.
Yes.
I took the magical step and
Shikha, your voice is breaking.
Powerful. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, right now we can hear you.
Now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So I took the magical steps. Before that, I wrote so many blessings that I was grateful for my mother. I prayed gratitude to her, and the list is I have no words. It's infinite. And I'm so thankful first. And then I took the magical steps in the day yesterday. I was feeling so much power in my legs. I was feeling very calm from within. I slept in the afternoon. मैं कभी भी गहरी नींद में नहीं सोती हूँ afternoon में. Yesterday I slept for 3 hours and so peaceful. But one more thing, there was so much of gratitude in my sleep also कि मेरे को ये feel हो रहा था मैं thank you ही बोले जा रही हूँ नींद में भी. And I could feel that. And I woke up, तो मैं एकदम fresh उठी. I was like, मेरे को मुझे 10 बजे नींद आने लगती है. कल मुझे 11:30 बजे तक नींद नहीं आ रही. I had to put myself to sleep कि now you need to sleep. My vision board also came beautifully after that afternoon sleep, and I was very calm, very nice it was. Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing, both of you. Thank you so much. And your vision board is really, really real in the sense. Real in capital letters.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, anybody else wants to share anything? किसी को share करना है?
गुड मॉर्निंग वंदना जी।
हाँ जी।
मैंने कल पहले तो ये घर पे किया था, फिर रात को मैं बैठी थी तो मैंने सोचा कि नहीं मैं अभी मैं उस टाइम तो घर पे सब थे, तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि रात को मैं नीचे उतरी थी जब इधर तो कर्फ्यू था, तो उस टाइम मैंने ये प्रैक्टिस की। तो वो नीचे कुछ डॉग थे, फिर वो ट्रीज मीन्स के छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स थे, तो वो सब कुछ कई दिनों से वो डॉग तो खेलते रहते हैं, पर कल ये करने के बाद मुझे उन लोगों से इतना वो क्या बोलते हैं कि फीलिंग आ गई, प्यार आ गया, तो देखती ही रही वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं। वो कई बार तो हम निकलते पर इस तरह नहीं माइंड करते हैं, तो कल रात की ये प्रैक्टिस के बाद मैं खड़ी रही और उन लोगों की वो धमाल मस्ती देखने लगी। फिर मुझे फूल जो झाड़ थे वो लहराने वो दिख रहे थे, तो शायद मैंने ये फील किया कि उस टाइम मेरी इनर वर्ल्ड की जो मेरी क्या बोलते हैं फीलिंग स्ट्रांग हो गई थी, तो मुझे बाहर का सब कुछ इतना प्यारा लगने लगा, कुछ मैंने ऐसा फील किया उस टाइम रात तो 10 साढ़े 10 बजे हो गए, तो अंदर से मुझे कुछ इतना अच्छा फीलिंग लगने लगा। कल मैंने घर पे किया तो मुझे लगा कि मैंने ये मैकेनिकली किया है, पर रात को किया तब तो मुझे ये सब कुछ फील हुआ।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, रियली ब्यूटीफुल। आपने आपकी जो अंदर की दुनिया है उसे देखना शुरू कर दिया है अब। थैंक यू सो मच, रियली रियली ब्यूटीफुल। सो यस, एनीबडी एल्स वांट्स टू शेयर?
यस मैम।
यस।
यस, हेतल शाह मैम।
हाँ जी।
हाँ मैम, कल तो मुझे ऐसे मैंने 5 स्टेप ही किए हैं और ज्यादा नहीं है कि 5 स्टेप किए ना, 15 मिनट लगे मुझे। 15 मिनट में 5 स्टेप ने इतना थैंकफुल, जैसे हम एक एक बेबी चलता है एक एक स्टेप, वैसे मैं चल रही हूँ बेबी स्टेप की जैसे। और मेरी मम को इतना थैंक,
आपकी आवाज धीरे हो गई है।
मेरी मम को इतना थैंकफुल मैंने किया कि मम मुझे इस दुनिया में लाने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच। और कल भी मुझे ऐसा ही फील हुआ। रात को मैं बोलती हूँ ना 3 बजे मैं उठ जाती हूँ, तो 2:45 से 3:30 बजे तक मैं इतनी यूनिवर्स में चली गई, जैसे मुझे इतनी मैंने ऑरा फीलिंग्स। और तब तो मुझे ऐसा लगा मैं फ्लावर जो निकलता है ना, जो फ्लावर्स निकलता है उसमें से मैं निकल रही हूँ। और इतना विजुअलाइजेशन पावरफुल हो रहा था, तो जैसे क्लाउड जैसे होते हैं ना, जैसे क्लाउड्स और शाइन वगैरह, कलरफुल शाइन, और जैसे हमारे ऑरा चक्र वो खिलते हैं, उसमें से मैं खिल रही थी। और इतना ग्रेटिट्यूड निकल रहा था मेरे में से, इतना सबको मैं अपने हाथ से जैसे धुआं निकलता है ना, सबको ग्रेटिट्यूड कर रही, वैसा फील हो रहा था। इतना अमेजिंग मोमेंट था ना वो, मैं इतना अमेजिंग। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you and keep on doing this magical footsteps. करते रहिए everyone. एक दिन नहीं करना है, you can do any part of your day and any day, any number of times. जब भी आपको लगे कि हाँ you're feeling little stressed, you're feeling little low, something is not happening according to what you want, जैसा आप चाहते हो वैसा नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो just take out 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just don't think, just do this magical footsteps and see how entire thing changes. जैसे हिना जी आपने देखा, आपने जब घर पे किया तो इतना नहीं लगा, लेकिन when you went down, so that's the nature के खुली हवा में करने का इसका एक अलग ही मजा है। बट ठीक है, now since we can't go out, घर पे भी यू कैन फील दैट सिचुएशन, वो एक्सपीरियंस को घर पे भी आप ला सकते हो। सो टुडे डू एट होम एंड सी, हिना जी जस्ट डू एट होम एंड सी टुडे। मे बी घर पे आपको
हाँ
मे बी आपको घर पे सब चीजें दिख रही थी ना, ये करना है वो करना है, शायद वो थॉट आ गए होंगे. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू जस्ट ऐड अनदर थिंग, अपने ब्रेथ्स पे ध्यान देते हुए वॉक करिए, तो वो ध्यान उधर से हट जाता है, फोकस चला जाता है उधर से. Awesome. Anybody else wants to share before we start today's chapter? And
Ma'am?
today's, yeah.
I want to share, but it's not related to yesterday's practice, but it's about the visualization we do like every day. So my sister's son, he's just almost 2 years old. So recently he goes to the daycare. So there something might have happened. So since a week he was like behaving a little traumatized that he didn't want to go. He was crying and very weird behavior suddenly. Even his teachers there were shocked with his behavior because he was quite friendly and all. So I started imagining him and giving him the golden light and everything, that you have to be calm and just try to let that go and everything. And in 2 or 3 days, my sister and his teachers and everyone started saying कि now he is looking fine. Suddenly she messaged that जिसके साथ वो हुआ था, like some boy must have just hit. They are so small, they don't even know that किसने क्या मारा. So then she messaged that he's playing with that guy only. Now he's his best friend. ऐसा.
Wow.
So yeah, there was a complete change of behavior. And same I tried on, like I gave the golden light to Rushabh also when he was not feeling well. So like next day I asked him, how are you? So he's like, अभी आज अच्छा लग रहा है. So then I was like, हाँ, I knew it, आज अच्छा ही लगने वाला था. So he's like,
Nice.
तेरे को कैसे पता? I'm like, अंतर्यामी. So it was like, I think I was just giving it, but I didn't expect anything and it did work. So yeah, it does.
Yeah,
work.
like I was sick since 2 days and like I had like a high fever and I didn't expect that in the tomorrow morning everything will be gone. And
Lovely. Yes, and there was one more magical ingredient in that. Rishabh, you understand, na? One more very, very powerful magical ingredient that was there in that. The
yeah,
power of gratitude and the power of love. Love was also flowing.
yeah,
Even like
Yeah.
yesterday morning, he was a little down. Like, so I just asked him to like visualize different things and like start taking deep breaths, this and that. I mean, for me also it was a sudden change because normally what our reactions were like कि एक irritate होता है ना तो दूसरा भी शुरू हो जाता है irritate करना because that vibe starts coming in. Yesterday I was so strong and firm. I'm like, no, I'll try to change it into a happy mode, you know. So it did work. So it was fun. I'm like, I'm using Vanda ma'am's tricks now.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. Lovely. And keep on doing this. Be in this practice. Give magic dust to as many people as you can. The golden light is
Yes.
always overflowing. And after doing today's chapter, it will increase exponentially. Just be with the chapter today. Just be with every word of today's chapter. Okay. So today's
One more
chapter
thing.
is, yeah.
Sorry. So my boss also yesterday, सुबह he came and he's like, मेरे तो पक्का diabetes आ गया है, ये है वो है. He did the first test before eating वाला fasting test, and then he came to office and he got that वो जो testing के लिए kit आती है ना, he got it. So then I'm like, sir, देखो नहीं आएगा आपको, I'm sure about it. Then he was sitting and he was testing and I tried कि मैं ऐसे ही मतलब ऐसे बता नहीं सकती but I just imagine that I'm giving a golden light कि उनको
Yeah.
नहीं आएगा. So then he did not get it. I don't know. It's like magic.
Wow.
Immediate
Wow.
magic.
Lovely, lovely. So you told him anything about it?
I told him, but he doesn't believe. Like he's like, he said,
That's
"कुछ
okay.
भी
That's
believe
okay.
होता है." I'm like, okay. So he's
That's
too
fine.
much
That's
into a scientific thing. So
Yeah.
then I'm like, okay.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah.
Just if you can, if somebody doesn't believe, then don't try to convince them. Just
Yeah,
give
yeah,
your magic
exactly.
dust and that's fine. Yeah. Awesome. Lovely sharing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Anybody else before we start today's chapter? I thought everybody is going to share today.
Ma'am, it's not just related to yesterday's practice, but my son Meg is coming in on evening session.
Yeah.
उसने परसों कुछ स्क्रिबल कर दिया था, उससे बाय मिस्टेक हो गया था, तो वो इतना गिल्ट फील कर रहा था, उसने लीव कर दिया तभी का तभी, उसने आगे का क्लास भी नहीं किया। फिर उसको रात को सोते वक्त भी यही हो रहा था कि सब मुझे बैड बॉय बोलेंगे, मैंने ऐसे कर दिया, पूरा स्क्रीन गंदा हो गया मेरे से। फिर मुझे लगा वो बहुत गिल्ट में आ गया था, तो मैंने उसको बिठाया, मैंने उसको समझाया कि कोई बात नहीं, बड़े भी करते हैं ऐसा, कभी कभी बड़ों से भी हो जाता है। मैंने उसको एग्जाम्पल दिया कि हमारे क्लास में भी ऐसा हुआ था, हमारे अंकल ने कर दिया था, वो तो कितने
मैंने
बड़े,
भी
मुझसे
किया
भी
था।
बड़े, हाँ वो मुझसे भी बड़े हैं। तो फिर वो बोला, मैंने बोला आपको नहीं करना है क्लास तो मत करना, मैं आपको ऐसे फोर्स नहीं करूँ। फिर मॉर्निंग में जब वो कल उठा तो ही वॉज फॉर्म, नहीं नहीं मैं करूंगा क्लास, मुझे करना है। एंड मैं जब कल फुटस्टेप्स ले रही थी, आई डिड आफ्टर द क्लास इटसेल्फ, और मैंने यही सोचा कि मेग अपने मन से करे, नॉट बाय माय फोर्स। एंड तो उसने कल मुझे बस उठ के ऐसे ही बोला कि मम्मा मैं करूंगा करूंगा, बस करूंगा ही करूंगा ऐसे। और मैं परसों उससे थोड़ा इरिटेट हो गई थी क्योंकि उसने पढ़ाई करना छोड़ दिया है, सब छोड़ दिया था, तो उसको ऐसे लगा भी मम्मा मुझसे बात नहीं करेगी और ऐसा सब। फिर वो मेरे से 9 बजे आके मुझसे बोलता है कि मैंने ना आपकी ट्रिक यूज की है, मैंने ऐसे बहुत ग्रेटिट्यूड देके बोला है कि मम्मा मुझसे 12 बजे तक परफेक्ट बात करेगी, बहुत अच्छे से मुझसे बात करने वाली है ऐसे। और रियली 12 बजे जब हम दोनों बैठे थे तो हम दोनों इतने अच्छे से एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे थे, तो मुझे ऐसा लगा उसने तो भी कुछ प्रैक्टिस करना चालू नहीं किया, बट ही बिलीव्ड सो मच कि नहीं ये सब वर्क करता है ऐसे। तो उस, और फिर वो इतना पूरा दिन खुश था कि आज मैंने जो सोचा वो सब हो गया ऐसे।
वाओ वाओ।
तो कल
क्या
मैंने उसको
yesterday
बोला,
वो कल था क्लास में, बट he wanted to ask something, या शायद बंद हो गई थी उसकी आवाज।
उसने मुझे मैंने उसको बोला आप शेयर करो मैम से, तो वो बोलते हैं मुझे डर लगता है अगर मैं कुछ बोलूंगा ना तो मैम मुझे रीडिंग करने को बोलेगे ना, मेरे को रीडिंग नहीं करना है। तो मैंने उसको बोला नहीं मैम नहीं बोलेगे, मैम आपको नहीं बोलेगी, जिसको करना है वो ही करेंगे। तो बोलता है मैंने हैंड रेस किया था मगर मैम ने नहीं देखा, उन लोगों को हैबिट है ना स्कूल में, दे डोंट स्पीक डायरेक्टली, वो हैंड रेस करते हैं, फिर मैम उनको बोलते हैं तो ही वो बोलते हैं।
Yeah, I do that only in the evening class.
हाँ,
Evening class में इतने लोग हैं ना तो वही करते हैं हम लोग भी।
हाँ तो मैंने हैंड रेस किया था मगर मैम ने मुझे नहीं बोला, तो मैंने बोला आप बोलना, उसने ना अपनी डिजायर लिस्ट लिखी है तो उसको ड्रीम लिस्ट आपको बतानी थी, तो
आज वापस करेंगे तो
हाँ वो उसकी बुक लेके बैठा था कि मैं इसमें से, तो मैं उसमें से कौन से बोलूं कैसे बोलूं वो सब वो उसने सोच के रखा था ऐसे। बट लास्ट नाइट तक ही वॉज रियली वेरी हैप्पी, सोते टाइम तक वो इतना खुश होकर सो गया कल। आई रियली फेल्ट कि हाँ बहुत दिनों से बहुत डिप्रेस था वो, ये सिचुएशन की वजह से कहीं जाते नहीं ना बच्चे बाहर, तो बहुत डिप्रेस था। बट यस्टरडे ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी, नीचे जाके अपना रॉक भी ढूंढ के आया उसने, अपने आप गया, अपने आप ढूंढ लिया उसने।
Wow, so nice, lovely. Thank you for sharing. Awesome.
थैंक यू। वो जो उसका बिलो लेवल फीलिंग था ना उसको बॉल आने के लिए।
Lovely. Thank you. Anybody else wants to share? किसी को लग रहा है शेयर करना है लेकिन नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, प्लीज कर लीजिए। ओके ठीक है। सो श्वेता, you want to share anything? Shweta? Okay, lovely. So today's chapter is a very beautiful chapter in the sense that it's a turning point from where we are now to where we'll be going. It's a turning point. So let's look at the picture. Heart magic. Yes, everyone.
जो वंदना जी, कैन आई स्पीक? हाँ, ये जो एक ट्री है उसके ऊपर एक हार्ट बनाया हुआ है और उसके ऊपर जो ग्रेटिट्यूड की लाइट्स आ रही है तो वो ट्री के बाजू में जो उसकी ब्रांच जा रही है ना, दैट अपीयर्स लाइक अ ह्यूमन बॉडी, जो उसका
Okay.
हाथ है ऐसे, और
हाँ.
वो हृदय में इतनी अच्छी ग्रेटिट्यूड की भावनाएं आ रही है, और इसका स्पार्कल और इसकी बॉडी इतनी मजबूत है कि पीछे के जो प्लांट्स है, पीछे के जो ट्रीज है, वो इतने मायने नहीं करते। मतलब जो अपनी हृदय में से खुशी आती है वो इतनी ज्यादा है कि आगे पीछे का कुछ इतना मायना नहीं करता।
Yes. Okay. Very beautiful. Okay.
थैंक यू।
Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Thank you.
जी trees
Yeah.
Pooja ji, you go ahead.
I feel like trees are the heart of the universe. They provide us with oxygen and everything. वैसे ही जैसे ट्री इतना कुछ देता है without expecting anything. वैसे ही we also should we should give society without expecting anything in return.
Yes. Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Yes.
trees is the only thing, I think one main thing which is directly connected to Mother Earth, like
Yes.
through
Okay.
its roots.
Yeah.
So from there it starts and it reaches almost to the top of the world. And it is one thing that spreads love and, like, unconditional things. Like even people do cut it, and even the leaves, they grow, they become dry leaves, they fall, and there is another one coming in. So similarly that cycle goes on. So this shows that you should just let go and just give as much as you can, and never ending giving. It's like that.
Yes.
And since it is directly connected to the Mother Earth, like a mother, it is just unconditionally just giving and giving and giving, and not expecting anything from anybody. So similarly, we should get the qualities in us, like, and stop expecting and just learn to give.
Yes. Yes. And yeah. Yeah.
Hina, can I share something?
Yes. Yes.
ये हार्ट का सिंबल है और ट्री ऊपर है, तो फीलिंग्स आर रिफ्लेक्टेड इन आवर हार्ट, राइट?
Yes.
तो और फीलिंग्स ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ कनेक्ट है।
Yes.
तो और ये ट्री पर है, तो कल मैंने वो शिखा जी का वो देखा था विजन बोर्ड, उसमें जो हमारा हार्ट चक्र था ना वो ग्रीन था। तो वही अभी मेरे माइंड में ये कनेक्ट हो रहा है कि शायद ये झाड़, ये ट्रीज भी ग्रीन होते हैं और हार्ट चक्र भी ग्रीन है। तो शायद नहीं, पक्का ये उसको ये ट्री के साथ अपना हार्ट को कनेक्ट किया है, और उसको उसमें वो फीलिंग, ग्रेटिट्यूड वाली फीलिंग्स रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है।
Yes.
और also trees are understood feelings. तो ये तो हम भी फील करते हैं, ट्रीज भी फील करते हैं, तो हार्ट को उसके साथ कनेक्ट करके ये पिक्चराइज किया है।
Yes. Yes. So थोड़ा सा just since you have come to this, I just want to add on to this कि एक पेड़ हमेशा अर्थ से कनेक्टेड रहता है, मिट्टी से कनेक्टेड रहता है, उसकी जड़ें एकदम नीचे तक चली जाती है, और कुछ जड़ें तो इतनी बढ़ जाती है। मैंने ऐसे पेड़ देखे हैं, like in Calcutta there's a beautiful garden which is called Botanical Garden. उधर एक ऐसा पेड़ है जिसकी जड़ें बहुत किलोमीटर्स आगे तक गई हुई है और कहीं कहीं पे ऊपर भी आई हुई, तो पता चलता है कि जड़ें कितनी दूर तक गई है। सो लाइक दैट आवर हार्ट, अपना जो दिल है, उसकी जो नर्व्स, जो दिल से जो नर्व्स निकलती है वो पूरे बॉडी में स्प्रेड होती है। सो आई मीन बिकॉज वो हार्ट के कारण ही, दिल के कारण ही, हार्ट के कारण ही ये पूरी बॉडी अलाइव है. सो यू नो इतना वास्ट है उसके वो कहाँ तक स्प्रेड हो सकता है हमें नहीं पता. ओके, सो एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज रियली ब्यूटिफुल दैट जब एक बच्चा वूम में होता है, जब उसकी डेवलपमेंट शुरू होती है, तो हार्ट इज द फर्स्ट ऑर्गन विच इज डेवलप्ड. पहली बार जब कोई भी ऑर्गन, सबसे पहले हार्ट आता है, फिर ब्रेन आता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी से you feel in your heart and you think in your brain. Feeling is more important than thinking. अगर पर हमको बचपन से ऐसे सिखाया जाता है कि सोचो, ऐसा सोचो. But now let's change our concept और हम अपने बच्चों को भी ऐसा ही सिखाएं कि be in touch with your feelings first. Whatever you feel, whatever your heart says, बोलते हैं ना listen to your heart. ऐसा हमने सुना है? Yes, no? Just listen to what your heart says. अपनी दिल की सुनो.
yes.
हाँ, तो so like that. So whenever you are, you know, अगर कभी आपको लगे बहुत लो फील कर रहे हो या कुछ भी चिंता आई जा रही है या you know कुछ कर लिया, सब कुछ कर लिया, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, just choose a tree around you. चाहे आपके पास कोई गार्डन है उधर या आपके बिल्डिंग में, and don't feel shy. Just go and hug that tree. अपने दिल को उस पेड़ के दिल से मिला दीजिए, क्योंकि वो दिल मदर अर्थ से कनेक्टेड है. तो उसकी जड़ें आपकी सारी चिंताएं, दुखों, दर्द सबको ले लेगा. उसकी जड़ें इतनी मजबूत होती है. एंड दिस ट्री इज रियली इसकी जो ट्रंक है, मतलब ये जो ट्रंक दिख रहा है, जो इसकी जो क्या बोलते हैं ट्रंक को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? शाखा नहीं, शाखा तो ये ब्रांच,
तना.
Third.
या इसका जो तना है, ये कितना बड़ा पावरफुल लग रहा है ना. इट लुक्स लाइक, मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि इट लुक्स लाइक अ पावरफुल आर्म, जो बोलते हैं ना, जैसे अपने पूरे बाइसेप्स, ट्राइसेप्स सब दिखते हैं एकदम ऐसे मजबूत, वैसा इट्स लुकिंग. सो आवर हार्ट, सो कभी भी अपने हार्ट को उस पेड़ के हार्ट से मिला दीजिए. एंड इफ यू हैवंट येट ट्राइड हगिंग अ ट्री, गो एंड डू इट टुडे. जादू की झप्पी. हाँ भरत जी, आपने पिक्चर भेजा था अपना.
नहीं, मैं अभी हर रोज मैं गार्डन में मैं जाता हूँ. अभी मैं ऑन द वे हूँ. हर रोज मैं जादू की झप्पी एक ट्री को मैं देता हूँ, एवरी डे.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
No, I also want to share.
Yes.
So, like tree follows its sunshine and grows like wherever the sunshine is. So, for your life, you should follow identify your sunshine and follow that. Then you will be successful.
Wow. And what is your sunshine?
Yeah. So my dreams, Ishita, everyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely. So in your life, you should follow your sunshine. Wow. Nice. Awesome.
Vandana ji, can I elaborate on that picture?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So this heart is very deeply engraved on the bark of the tree.
Yeah.
बहुत गहरा है और वो एकदम सेंटर ऑफ द ट्री के बाक पे है. जैसे हमारा हार्ट चक्र, हमारा अनहता एकदम सेंटर ऑफ आवर बॉडी, सेंटर ऑफ द टॉर्सो होता है, उसी तरह से है. एंड इसके जो आर्म ब्रांचेस जा रहे हैं, वो फैल रहे हैं और वो एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रांचेस है. और द लाइट इज स्प्रेडिंग थ्रू द हार्ट टू द आर्म्स.
Yes.
And obviously it is very deep rooted, it is very broad, so it is a very old and ancient tree, I feel.
Yes.
Because it's very broad, it's really broad, I feel. And being so deep rooted, it has many things it has absorbed in it, and then shining so bright, because the radiance of that magical light is enormous. It's beautiful. It's spreading with us. I mean, there is no difference between the sunlight and that light.
Yes. Thank you for sharing. Really beautiful. Just आप खाली एक बार इस पे ध्यान दीजिए. Everyone just look at the space inside the heart. आप देखेंगे आपको जस्ट और साइड की जितनी भी चीजें हैं उसको एक बार मत देखिए, just focus in this inside the heart, see what you can feel. Everyone,
The magic is coming from within the heart.
yes,
It's coming from within. The gratitude, what is coming, no? It's coming from within that engraved part,
yeah,
which is from within, ekdam andar se. So you have to be thankful really deeply. It's not just to say, it has to have that feeling of gratitude deep from your
from your heart, yeah,
heart. Yes.
yes. So yes, just so whenever this picture is there in the book also, if you have a book, और नहीं तो PDF में भी बहुत अच्छे से ये पिक्चर दिया हुआ है, अगर आप PDF खोलोगे तो हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में है, तो everybody knows ना that PDF file has been sent.
Yes.
Yeah.
हाँ, yeah, somebody has pinned it also. I think Reet, you
Yeah.
pinned it,
Yes,
ना?
yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. So yes, so कभी भी दिन में आपको अगर टाइम मिले, not only today, any day, just look at this picture. अलग अलग चीजें इसके अंदर से निकल के आएगी, एकदम एक जादुई पिक्चर है. Every pictures are जादुई, but ये पिक्चर कुछ अलग ही है. इसको आप जब देखोगे, इसके ये हार्ट के स्पेस के, जब ये हार्ट का जो शेप बना हुआ है, इसके अंदर if you just keep on focusing, it will start talking to you. And हमें, yes,
It attracts you.
yeah, it attracts you and वो आपसे बातें करने लगेगा. So हमने सुना है ना, दिल से बात करना. So what does this mean? Dil se. The say here has a riddle inside. Dil se baat karna matlab dil se. Just keep on saying this. दो तीन meaning निकल के आएंगी. Anybody can you just identify?
दिल से मतलब टॉक विथ, दो है टॉक विथ योर हार्ट, और दूसरा दिल से मतलब किसी से जब बात करो तो पूरे दिल से उनसे बात
पूरे
करो.
दिल से बात.
Yeah, and one more thing is that
True
dil
heart.
to the heart.
टू द हार्ट.
Talk to the heart.
टॉक टू द हार्ट. उनसे
Yes.
उससे बात करो, दिल
हाँ.
दिल से भी बात करो.
तो
टॉक टू
आज
योर
From
हार्ट.
your within to their within.
To your within, to their within. Wow.
देयर विदिन.
Yes.
The heart chakra is green.
Yeah. Yes. So आप अपने दिल से, आज अपने दिल से बात करना है, तब आप दिल से बात कर पाओगे. When you talk to your heart, then you will be able to talk from your heart. तो हमने कभी thank you बोला ही नहीं. So today's chapter is all about saying thank you to this magical being of love. Okay, so very good. We spent a good amount of time on this, and it was really, really important because this is the most beautiful organ in our entire body. And we know it because without it the body will not function. हमें पता है कि हार्ट जब रुक जाएगा तो बॉडी का कोई मीनिंग नहीं रहता है. It helps us to do so many things. पर हमने कभी बैठ के इसके साथ एक बच्चे की तरह just sit and talk to your heart, starting from today, and don't stop. Anytime you can sit and talk. Yes. So let's start the reading. Okay, who wants to read?
Shall I? Shikaya.
Ashika ji, yes.
Happy morning.
Happy
I
morning.
would start with this song. "Ae Dil Mujhe Bata De." I've thrown the magical light. "Ae Dil Mujhe Bata De." Then let's start.
गया है वो कौन
वो
है
कौन है?
जो आंखों में
आंखों
छा
में छा
गया
है. So let's have it.
Yeah.
Gratitude is the memory of the heart. Jean Baptiste T. Matthew 1743 to 1818, French Revolution activist. You might have figured out by now that with any magical practice of gratitude, the aim is always to feel it as much as you can. This is because when you increase the feeling of gratitude on the inside, the things you have to be grateful for in the outside world increase too.
Yeah, so we'll pause here. So gratitude is the memory of the heart. कृतज्ञता हृदय की स्मृति है. So the memory, the smriti of the heart. So let's read this backwards. Heart memory is gratitude. Gratitude is the memory of the heart. This sentence is really beautiful. इसको आगे पीछे दोनों से पढ़ सकते हैं. So everyone, heart memory is gratitude. Gratitude is memory of the heart. And you know, when we do concentrated practice of gratitude, the heart purifies. Sabse pehle the heart purifies. And we start getting, you know, and over a period of time, love will start flowing. Maybe many of you must have experienced at times, you must have got glimpses of it, that whenever you are in deepest state of gratitude, then you know, you feel some kind of happiness flowing and you don't know what is there. I mean, from where it is. And you feel that everything around you, you feel is different because you are moving into that space of highest form of feeling, which is love. So love is the feeling of the heart. Gratitude is the feeling of the heart, and gratitude takes you to love. So I'm just remembering, you know, when a person dies, when a person is dying, he is very, 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 very close to this feeling of gratitude. Why I'm saying is because I actually felt and I experienced it. So when my father, during his last days, so I was there with him, and it was, I think, just 20-25 days before he actually went into coma, and he passed on 3 days after that. तो उनको जब उनको इतना दर्द था बॉडी में, उसके बाद भी उनकी एक ही चीज होती थी कि दिन भर में वो सबको फोन करते थे, जिन लोगों को वो जानते थे, जिनसे उनकी कुछ ऐसे मन मुटाव हो गए थे, या यू नो समथिंग हैड हैपेंड ड्यूरिंग हिज लाइफ, उन लोगों को भी उन्होंने फोन किया, अपने ब्रदर्स को फोन किया, अपने फ्रेंड्स को, रिलेटिव्स को, बच्चों को, सबको ही स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग, एंड ही स्टार्टेड सेइंग थैंक यू. And he at some point of time, he actually used to start crying to them. So, you know, I was just observing him that time. I didn't understand what is happening. So now when I read this chapter for the first time, actually I understood that during the last days of your life, you know, कुछ लोगों को शायद कुछ वो महसूस हो जाता है कि, you know, now it's my time, but now this body has to, this body has to leave now. It's time for the body to disintegrate and leave. So, you know, उस समय बिल्कुल you are close to your heart, and when you're close to your heart, you're feeling grateful. When you're feeling grateful, then everything dissolves. मतलब जो भी, and that's the best thing that can happen. तो हम अभी से क्यों ना करना शुरू कर दे? Why can't we start talking to our heart every day before we go to sleep in the night, or maybe any point of time during the day, or when you wake up in the morning? Why can't we start doing this from today itself? That दिल से बात करें, ताकि हम जब when we are about to leave this world, then you know, we are, हमारा दिल सबसे connected, मतलब we have already cleansed our heart. मतलब उसमें जो जितना भी coverings जो हम कर देते हैं हार्ट के चारों तरफ, किसी से कुछ बात हो गई तो हमने दिल पे रख लिया, किसी ने कुछ कह दिया हमने दिल पे रख लिया, किसी को हमने कुछ बोल दिया and we feel guilty, तो we just kept it in our heart. दिल पे, you know, so many things we keep on storing in our heart. So if every day, if you can cleanse this part, this, I would not say organ only, but this beautiful being of love. So just empty your heart before you go to sleep. And if that does, so we are doing it. Actually, the Magic Rock practice is doing that only, isn't it? Don't you feel when you're doing the Magic Rock practice, वही हो रहा है?
Yes.
And that's what, so it's so beautiful कि it was the second chapter. And even when you do count your blessings, so जो भी आपने अंदर store कर लिया है, unpleasant memories, जो भी आपसे हुआ है या किसी से और से हुआ है, that also gets dissolved. तो अगर कुछ रह गया रात को, तो सुबह लिखने से वो भी चला जाता है, isn't it? Only when you're doing first thing in the morning and last thing in the night. That is important. That is very important. उसके बाद अगर मैजिक रॉक प्रैक्टिस के बाद में if you've done something else, किसी से कुछ बात कर लिया, किसी का फोन कॉल आ गया and you attended that phone call thinking that it's very important, then this experience will not be there. और अगर कभी ऐसा हो भी गया ना, तो then before going to sleep again do the magic rock practice. It doesn't take you more than 5-10 minutes, क्योंकि एक बार तो याद कर लिया है, उस समय तो एकदम 2-3 minutes में भी हो जाता है. So just remember this, that talking to your heart, if you can do it every single day, specifically last thing in the night and first thing in the morning, then you will always be in a grateful state, because that is the memory of the heart. उसकी स्मृति ही ये है, हृदय की स्मृति कृतज्ञता है. And you might have figured out by now that any magical practice of gratitude, हमने इतनी सारी practices की है, उसका aim एक ही है, उसका science एक ही है कि अच्छा feel करना है. And when you feel good from inside, then the outside also changes. So that we have all experienced it, na, कि first it happens in the inner world and then it happens in the outer world. And inner world में experience करने के लिए you really have to touch this part, the heart. And actually if you're aware of it or not, but you always, it touches that organ बोल दो, because one thing is really important is that every organ in our body has its own magnetic field. हर organ की, जैसे एक cell phone का magnetic field होता है ना, एक laptop का magnetic field होता है, any electronic gadget has a magnetic field. So like that, our body has its own magnetic field, and every organ has its own magnetic field. तो heart की जो magnetic field होती है वो 5,000 times more powerful than the other organs. It's actually proved. It's scientifically proved that the magnetic field of the heart is 5,000 times more powerful. So whenever you are grateful, you are actually increasing the magnetic field more. And whenever you are complaining, you are decreasing the magnetic field of your heart. So that's the reason this chapter came after 20 days, so that we are in a space to understand कि हमने इतने time जो chapters किए हैं वो क्या कारण से, what was the intention behind it, and now we can actually understand it. Yes, please continue.
Eventually, after practicing gratitude for a long period of time, you will automatically feel it deeply into your heart. However, today's magical practice will collapse the time it would normally take for you to reach that level.
So what does this mean? Collapse the time means what? कि आज की magical practice के बाद में you will actually, yeah, and time will cease to exist. Time will cease to exist, and within few seconds you are going to just, experience this beautiful feeling of gratitude, because, and provided if you do today's practice. So I think हम लोगों को कल के practice से ही शुरू हो गया था ना ये.
I was about to say that. मेरे साथ से हो रहा है वो. I'm thinking 5 बज रहे हैं, 5 बजे ही नहीं है, 4:45 ही हुए हैं. It is like that. It is happening to me.
Yes, yesterday during the session also I felt, you know what? Actually मैंने अपने इसको ऐसे हिला के देखा था. This is the clock which is there in front of me. मुझे लगा इसमें time कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया है, ये रुक गया है, इसकी बैटरी डाउन हो गई है. But then this clock was also showing the same time. So I mean उस समय हो गया था ऐसे. We felt, we collapsed the time. Yeah. So that's really beautiful. Most of us. Anybody else experienced it yesterday?
Yes, Vanna ji, and I share with you also.
Yeah.
सुबह उठते ही मुझे लगा था. सुबह से ही टाइम नहीं जा रहा था, मतलब वो स्टॉप हो गया था.
Lovely. Yes. So after today's practice, let's see what happens. Yes, please continue reading.
The heart magic practice is designed to powerfully increase the depths that you feel gratitude by focusing your mind on the area of your heart as you say and feel the magic words, thank you. Scientific research has shown that by focusing on your heart as you feel gratitude, the rhythm of your heart immediately becomes more even and harmonious. resulting in major improvements to your immune system and health. That gives you an idea of the power of heart magic. It takes a little practice the first time you try it, but it is worth the effort. After a few times, you will get it, and each time you practice it with your feeling of gratitude will increase exponentially.
Yes, so just as we are sitting, wherever we are sitting, however we are sitting, just close your eyes for a few seconds. Close your eyes, and you know where the heart is. It's slightly towards the left. And see if you remember the picture of the heart, how it looks. Just enter your heart. Enter your heart, and it's there, it's welcoming you. Go and hug it. Hug your own heart and say thank you. Just say thank you. And even when your palms are not touching that place, when you're saying thank you, you feel a vibration there, a rhythm there. And even though your palms are not touching, you can feel your heartbeats. And you can open your eyes now. How many of you felt your heartbeats without touching?
I feel.
I feel.
Lovely, lovely. So, you know, this heartbeat is felt in any part of the body. अगर हम आपके when you are with this heartbeat, आप कोई भी part body की कोई भी part को touch करोगे, आपको वो heartbeat वहाँ सुनाई देगी. अब try करना आज. Just touch your knees, just touch your shoulders, just touch your feet, your ankles, your hips. You will feel your heartbeats there because it is felt in every part of the body. Okay, so let's please continue reading. To practice heart magic.
Yeah, to practice heart magic, focus your mind and your attention on the area around your heart. It doesn't matter if you focus on the inside or the outside of your body. Close your eyes because it will make it easier, and while keeping your mind focused on your heart,
mentally say the magic words.
Mentally say the magic words, thank you. Once you have practiced it a few times, you won't need to close your eyes anymore. But as a general rule, you will feel more gratitude when you close your eyes.
Yes, continue.
There are several things you can do to help you get heart magic down really quickly. You can put your right hand on the area around your heart to keep your mind focused there while you say the magic words, thank you. Or you can imagine that the magic words, thank you, are coming out of your heart rather than your mind as you say them. As part of today's magical practice, take your top 10 desire list and practice heart magic on each desire. Read each desire in your mind or out loud. And when you get to the end of reading each one, close your eyes, focus your mind on the area around your heart. Keep your mind on your heart area and say the magic words again. Thank you. Slowly. Again, you can use the tips I have given above if it helps you. After you have finished heart magic on each of your desires, you will have not only increased the depth of gratitude you are able to reach, you will also have dramatically increased your gratitude for your top desires.
Yes, so after doing this, after being connected with the heart, today we'll do a beautiful visualization after we have completed reading. Maybe after that you could do this, or see, you know, if you are free at that time, it's the best time to do. Otherwise, any time of the day you can do. But first, just get in touch with your heart when you're doing this. So just keep your right palm on the heart center. So this is the heart center. the center of the chest. The center of the chest is the heart center. तो अगर आपको लगे कि नहीं, you know, it's depends on your belief. You feel that your belief is very powerful कि थोड़ा सा आपको left में लेके जाना है, you can do that. Otherwise, the heart chakra is there over here only, which is called the Anahat chakra. So आप उधर हाथ रख के and just smile and feel the golden light, or you can just feel the sun over there, because the sun outside is there within in this space. The sun within and the sun outside both are one. So अगर जैसे भी आपको visualize कर सके, whatever takes you there in that space, just sit there, and then what you're going to do is you're going to read your top 10 desire list जो हमने day 13th में बनाई थी. उस list को आप अपने सामने रखोगे और एक एक पढ़ के you're going to feel, you know, you're saying thank you, and if you've already got it, उसको visualize करना आंखें बंद करके, जितना भी time लगे. Today you're going to do this practice for all the top 10 desires. ऐसा नहीं कि 3 एक बार किया फिर उठ गए फिर वापस 3 किया. No, take a concentrated time and do for all the top 10 desires and say thank you, thank you, thank you. And after that, just we are going to share tomorrow what happened, you know, or maybe aap likh lena ki what was your experience after that. After doing connected first with your heart chakra, feel your heart chakra, feel this being of love, feel it, uski heartbeats ko sunna hai, uski baaton ko sunna hai, talk, dil se baat kariye. Uski baad mein just take your top 10 desires, because the more deeper you are in that space, and after that, if you read your desires, then it will be more and more genuine and real, and you know, it will be really authentic for you. Aapko lagega ki yes, it is actually there. Otherwise also you must have felt it, but after this too, you will feel that you have got whatever you've written, those top 10 desires. It's there. It's there in your life situations. It's there with you. So this is the beauty of today's magical practice, that you know, just do with these top 10 desires and see what happens, because you will really have to experience it for yourself. मैं कितना भी बोल दूं या कोई और कितना भी बोल दे, पर आपकी experience will be unique, because each one of us are unique. So our experience will be unique. Desire list is one which we made on the first day. No, top 10 desire list. Top 10 is what जो day 13 में बनाया था हमने. Okay. So yes, please continue.
You can continue to practice the heart magic on your desires regularly if you want to speed up the receiving of them. Or you can use heart magic anytime you say the magic words thank you. Even just using heart magic a couple of times a day will have a big effect on your happiness and the magic in your life.
Yes, this is the beauty of the heart magic, that if you feel like, and if you feel you have enough time and you are in that space of gratitude, so maybe after doing count your blessings, you can do this maybe 3-4 times in a week, maybe every day, depending upon the time each one is having. So just look at your schedule and bring in this heart magic practice. You know, not only today, tomorrow, but you can do it continuously whenever you feel like. Okay. So, and after experiencing it, you will notice a major shift coming in your day-to-day life. The people around you, your situations, your experiences, everything will shift to a different level. Please continue.
Once you have practiced heart magic a few times, you will feel a huge increase in the depth of your feeling. And with gratitude, it's all about the depth of the feeling, because the deeper the feeling, the greater the abundance you will receive. The initial physical signs that you have increased the depth of your feeling could be that you get a tingling feeling around your heart, or feel a wave of joy rush through your body. Your eyes may fill with tears, or you may get goosebumps, but without exception, you will begin to feel a depth of peace and happiness you've never felt before.
Yes. So, these chapters, every chapter in this book is designed in such a way that it will accelerate your feeling of gratitude. And from now onwards, today's day 20th, tomorrow's day 21, and we're going to step into the 4th week. So the 4th week, all the chapters are, remember, we mentioned several times that the first week you learn how to crawl, second week you learn how to walk, third week you learn how to run, and the 4th week you'll start flying. Your body, everything will be in a different space. So this chapter, from today's chapter onwards, I feel every chapter will take you into that space where you will be feeling lighter, happier, joyful, and you feel as if, even if you are taking your steps, you will feel them very light. So let's take an example. So when we learn how to ride a cycle, when we were kids, as kids we learned. Yes, no, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So then when we started learning, do you remember that first we wanted to balance? We tried to balance. वो दो side supports भी होते थे, and then we learned how to balance with those supports. फिर एक support निकाला, दूसरा support निकाला. When we actually could, balance, then the next step was to increase the speed of the cycle. और अगर gear cycle है, then you can just ride it in the 5th gear. We have gear cycles also nowadays. Everyone knows? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry?
Anirudh rides it.
Okay. So similarly, now till now we have learned how to balance. We have learned how to ride the cycle. Now onwards is the time to put on the 5th gear, and automatically it will happen if we are into the practice. If we have practiced all the magical practices the way it was told us to do, now we are in that 5th gear to speed the feeling of
Flying.
Gratitude.
Yes. So we've completed the chapter. We can go to the magical practice number 20. Yes.
Magic practice number 20. Heart magic. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2, focus your mind and attention on the area around your heart. Number 3, close your eyes, and while keeping your mind focused on your heart, mentally say words, thank you. Number 4, take your top 10 desire list and practice heart magic by reading each desire, then closing your eyes, focusing your mind on the area around your heart, and slowly saying thank you again. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Shikhaji, for reading beautifully for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for the wonderful reading. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
So yes, now we can. Anybody has any questions? Because after doing the visualization, we are going to end. We will try not to talk and be with ourselves. So anything you want to ask before we start the visualization, or anything from this chapter or any previous chapter, whatever you have in your mind, which is not understood and there's some confusion, some doubt is there, anything to ask? Okay, nothing, so we can do the visualization. Okay, I'm trying to do this today. I'm pausing the recording here. I'm going to start the recording again and record this heart magic. So you might get it separately.
Ma'am, you end the meeting and we will join.
No, I'm not going to end the meeting. I tried it yesterday.
Okay.
मीटिंग एंड नहीं करना है, मेरे को बस वो स्टॉप करना है और फिर मैं वापस चालू किया ना मैंने, तो हो गया था. So I tried it yesterday. मीटिंग एंड करने के बाद में
वापस से सबको ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ जी, इसीलिए। So just wanted to add something to it. So everyone, if you want to give any instructions to anyone, want to do something, you have 2 minutes, you can go and do and come back so that you're not disturbed. Can you hear the sound, everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
lovely, lovely, lovely. I don't know how to go back again. So everyone ready? Just sit with your spine erect. I'm going to just stop the recording.